The process to obtain a Greek tax number. What is an afimi and why is it essential for living or investing in Greece? Afimi stands for Arythmos Forologikou Mitrou. What is that? It is simply your 9-digit Greek tax number. If you plan to buy property, open a bank account, or even rent a home, this number is your key to moving forward. Hello again, I'm Nico from Elxis at Home in Greece, a real estate company with 35 years of experience that has helped thousands of people worldwide purchase their dream property in Greece. Subscribe to this channel for exclusive insights into the Greek real estate market, for tips on navigating the buying process, and a closer look at what makes living in Greece so special. Here's what you need to know about getting your Greek tax number. It is mandatory for most official actions in Greece. You'll need it to buy a property, open a bank account, file taxes, rent a property, and to apply for a residency permit in many cases. In fact, you will be asked to provide your tax number in almost every interaction with public services and utilities, like the electricity company or an internet provider. Think of it as your membership card to Greek bureaucracy. Without it, you can't complete many legal or financial transactions in the country. Fun fact, if you ask a Greek for their tax number, half will know it by heart, while the other half will grab their mobile phone and search their contacts where they have it stored as a phone number under the name Afimi. There's also good news when it comes to the process. You don't have to be present. That's right. By signing a power of attorney, you authorize a representative to act on your behalf. This can be either a lawyer, an accountant, or even a private person, even though this is not so common. The only thing you need to do is sign the POA in the country where you reside. Of course, you can also sign the power of attorney with a notary in Greece during a visit. Just make sure that it specifies the scope of authority, such as obtaining an afimi and representing you in tax matters. Otherwise, you can apply yourself, filling out the online application form, which can be found on the online platform of the Greek Tax Authority. Even if you're applying on your own though, if you're not living in Greece, you will still need to appoint a tax representative with permanent residence in Greece. This is required for managing your tax matters here, as this will be the person that will receive any mail addressed to you and that will sign your tax returns on your behalf. Keep in mind that your chosen tax representative will need to agree and consent to take on this responsibility. Nowadays, you or your representative can apply for a tax number online, but in the past, you needed to go to the local tax office. A few years ago, we had Dutch clients buying a property in Rethymno, Crete, who thought it would be fun to apply for a tax number themselves. After 2 weeks, they asked us to please take over, as it had taken them 3 visits to the tax office just to find the correct person to hand them an application form, which of course was all in Greek. Even though the process is easier now, as no physical presence is required, we still fully support our clients throughout the procedure of obtaining their afimi. In other words, picking us means playing safe. Whether you choose to apply yourself or through a professional, have these documents ready. A copy of your passport or ID, your parents' full names, your home address abroad and any temporary address in Greece, your foreign tax ID number, your mobile phone number, and also a power of attorney if someone else is applying for you. Typically, the process takes 2 to 3 business days, though it may take longer if the tax office is particularly busy. Quick note, your afimi comes with your Taxisnet credentials. It's simply a username and a password granting you access to Taxisnet, the online platform of the Greek tax authorities. Along with the tax number itself, these credentials facilitate every next step of any important process. Let's say they pose as the key card to the online platform of the tax office. Also, you should note that the process of getting a Greek tax number is free when processed directly through a tax office. In case you ask for a professional's assistance, there will be a service fee. But trust me, it's worth the convenience, as an afimi is essential for buying property in Greece. Even legal entities like companies must have an afimi to purchase real estate. Once you have your afimi, you'll be ready to handle transactions smoothly here, whether you're buying your dream home or taking care of day-to-day logistics. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out our other videos, such as opening a bank account in Greece, for more helpful insights. That's all for today, and see you next time.